Hello gamers, welcome to another build video of Once Human. Today we will be talking about KVD BoomBurn. It's a most powerful build of Once Human. I have tried many silos and bosses in pro mode. This build is awesome. Huge area and blast damage. Check this out, how fast it kills normal and elite enemies. You have to use Pyro Dino as Deviant for maximum damage. See how you can kill Pro Trent. Here's the dummy damage. First bullet has insane damage. Now it's time for mods and cradles. My secondary weapon DE.50 Wildfire with vulnerability amplifier. My melee weapon is long axe mod don't matter. My primary weapon is the KVD BoomBurn with flame resonance mod. Blackstone helmet with deviation expert mod. Blackstone mask with blaze amplifier mod. Barbecue gloves with status enhancement mod. Blakestone boots with covered advance mod. Blackstone top with flame resonance mod. Lone Wolf pants with reload rampage mod. All mods suffix should be talents. Here are my cradle choose according to your server. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.